There's a car going down in the wrong lane and almost just hit like 6 cars.
People are blaring their horns at them.
Cars are dodging them.
If I had to turn, it would have been head on.
Yeah, I just nearly missed them, but she just kept driving like nothing.
Almost looks like they're doing it intentionally.
It looked like a younger lady driving.
She's literally all over the place. I've never seen like that in my life.
I don't know what their problem is, but they're going to cause a wreck.
Yeah, they hit my mirror.
Okay, where's it at right now? I want you to give me a landmark.
I don't have an exact, okay? I'm giving you the best I can, all right? Just go look for it.
Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
She just passed us. She's left us sitting there down in front of the country club. We're trying to catch up.
46 is in the area.
47. 47 is behind it. Vehicle on the wrong side of the road. She's not stopping for lights and sirens.
Copy, not stopping. Lights and sirens, 1304.
Blew the red light on the wrong side of the road, westbound on Graham. Passing over Route 8 currently. King Frank Young, 4236, 4235, unsure. Continuing westbound, approximately 50 mile an hour on Graham Road, passing over Hudson. 36, I'm going to try to get in front of it. Bucko, just hold on.
0547. Older female. Younger female. Copy.
Stand by. Hold on. Couldn't lock her in. She's going around, continuing westbound. Young female, appears to be white.
Female. Westbound. 55 mile an hour passing Homewood. Black vehicle. Bailey.
Blowing red light. Southbound onto Oakwood. Southbound onto Oakwood.
Wrong side of the road.
Southbound Oakwood.
Quiet! Hey, 36, if you can call it out, if I get an opportunity, I'm going to try to get in front of her again. Copy. So southbound Oakwood.
62, straddling.
Hey, man, you know who it is. Your boy, Romy Rome in the house, in your mouth. Romy Rome, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth. Obviously, whoever this person is has to be on something because of the way they driving. They say she's young, or maybe she's just too young to be driving. We'd be surprised if it's like a 12-year-old driving a car and it stole her mama's car or something. You never know. But let's get right back to this video and find out. Before we do, remember to call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, let them know. Keep driving and surviving. Keep your mind right, keep your mind tight, and keep your vibes high.
What is going on here?
Silver Lake Avenue, up the center.
05, I'm pushing 80 mile an hour. What do you recommend? Continue.
He irritated.
Slow down. Turn your lights off. She'll slow down.
Alright, I'm just passing Roosevelt. I'm going to shut it down here as soon as I get over.
Lighting by here.
Passing Silver Lake, they're pushing 80 miles an hour.
We're going to try to keep in view.
Sure, on their channel, they're about to terminate.
Quiet, D. I don't know if she went up second or not. Quiet!
I didn't see which way she went, did you?
Hey, he's so irritated.
I saw Falls Cruiser turn left on the second.
Copy, north on 3rd.
North on 3rd, one of them have it?
Approaching Bailey again.
To Bailey Road. Which freaking way is Bailey? Let's go over this way. We're going to head back to our city.
ENC advised, Falls with advice and approaching Bailey.
You guys want to agree with Bailey, maybe 6?
Yeah, we do. Sorry, I'm talking out loud.
On 2nd at Hudson, making a left towards the freeway.
Vehicle's currently at 2nd and Hudson, left towards highway.
We're going to get on the highway again.
Hold on. 30 on it. Units advised, Hudson towards Graham.
Hudson towards Graham. Damn it! Alright, I'm gonna set up some sticks in case she comes back eastbound.
I can set up sticks also if needed.
I just got her with sticks.
Nice!
Hudson and Graham is northbound.
There you go.
The vehicle's on fire.
Alright, so
What I don't understand
now
is why
westbound
with the cops.
seals.
Hey, y'all, this is the second time to me where the cop had a chance to stop her. Is it really that important to not damage your cop car? I understand not, damaging your unit, but if you got a truck and they got a little car, why are you not just ramming it? You know what I mean? That was an opportunity for him to just head on the car, not fast. You know what I mean? Like, all he had to do was nudge it to stop it, or at least let her come by so he can hit it from the side if the tires are already blown out. That I feel like that was the cop's, opportunity, or his fault that she keeps driving by.
Westbound seals.
I'm trying to get onto
Yeah, man, what you doing? Take her out. Look.
Going the opposite direction of travel on Route 8.
We are not allowed to pursue opposite direction.
Opposite direction, Route 8. Is it north or south?
They're southbound and northbound lanes.
Southbound, northbound lanes, clear. Which cruiser got struck?
Alright, careful. She's off on your right side of the road, up by the guardrail.
Okay, I'm at Graham right now.
Alright, she'll get to you in just a minute.
Any idea on speed?
No, I could not tell.
Yeah, I see it.
Why can't they just stop right in front of her? Like right now.
Hold on.
Yes, we're going to report that it may have slipped down the embankment. On-ramp, speeding off.
No! Get the f***ing way! Move!
Oh my goodness, man.
Southbound on the northbound side.
That boy frustrated.
In the berm.
Copy. Approaching Graham Road and still continuing, correct?
Okay, firm. We're on the on-ramp, getting off.
On-ramp, speeding off.
Yeah, block her in.
Trying to box her in.
Box her in, man.
She'll really come right at you.
There you go. Cut her off. There you go, man. Take that long to do that.
Open the door!
You need the breaker, dude.
I haven't asked.
Car might still be drivable. Watch yourself behind. Watch yourself behind.
Come on up.
Hold on. Watch yourself behind. Put it in park. Put it in park.
It's in park. You gotta step out, alright? Come on, ma'am. Ma'am, you gotta step out.
You were fine.
You gotta come out with me. You gotta come out with me,
There you
okay?
go.
Come on out. Stand up. Stand up.
Yes,
Big
Bracelet or something right on her wrist.
Alright. Oh, you know her? What's the last name?
Yep, that's her. That's her.
Do you have anything on you, Michaela?
Pete's with her on Monday night. She was high on mushrooms at the time. She's bipolar and schizophrenic. This is the girl that we
I saw you coming, so I slowed down.
She hit my car, the new truck.
Okay.
Just so you know.
I heard.
It's
My throat's sore from screaming at people down at the red light.
Hey, y'all. So she's tripping on shrooms, man. I know the people, I can't really say much on YouTube, and I don't like that. But she's tripping on shrooms. So seems like maybe she was self-healing, being the fact that she's schizophrenic and bipolar, and those are medicinal things to help. And I know that shrooms are proven to be one of those things to help bring people out of that state. So she could have been, who knows how much she took or how much she ate, because she was able to drive just fine. So she couldn't have been tripping too bad, but probably enough for her to just not be in her right mind. You know what I mean? Driving crazy like that on and off the road, up and not hitting anybody. Having enough control to not really hit nobody, not cause damage to herself, to the cops, you know what I mean, is crazy work. So let's get back to it and see what's going on. Y'all think she's tripping on shrooms, the bipolar, the schizophrenic, or is she just having a bad day? Okay?
Sorry guys, I don't know what I'm doing.
What'd you say?
Pills. I tried getting my pills on Tuesday. Can you take me to CVS?
We're getting you somewhere. It's not going to be there right now, okay?
Here, let go of this. Hey, Michaela, gotta let go of this. Wherever this is.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Let go of what's in your hand, please, okay? We don't want to hurt you, so just let go of what you have so we don't have to hurt you.
There you go. Thank you.
I can't have it.
You can't have it right now. No, we're going to give it to you. Just let go.
I'm sorry, I just have to. I need my meds.
Do you realize what you even just did? You could have killed somebody. If all you need is meds, I would have been happy to help you with that over a phone call.
But they told me to call me in 2 weeks, and they didn't call me. I just need my medicine. I'm so scared. I didn't realize I was 2 weeks. I didn't realize I was so dead.
I'm glad nobody's dead. That was my concern. So if you want to put her in 11, we can.
Sure.
Oh, right on the other side of the canyon over there.
We'll walk, okay?
Why are the dogs helping me to do something wrong?
Oh, absolutely.
We can take those shoes off.
You're fine. Sit down. You're okay. You almost hurt a lot of people.
You're
okay.
Stop touching me. I said stop.
Michaela!
We're taking
enough!
You know how to get to it.
I recognize her too. Did we deal with her? We must have, recently.
They just dealt with her Silver Lake that said she was on mushrooms, thought she was at her aunt's house.
Yeah.
All the craziness, we're going to see if...
Oh, it's got to be drug induced, my goodness.
You would think.
So you get one at Bailey. I know you got one at Bailey, and there's one at Chipotle right here, too. Maybe another truck was trying to avoid it and hit another one in the front.
Okay.
When the pursuit went that way, the white car stopped right in the road. Blue one didn't see it and stopped, ran right into it.
Okay.
Sergeant Burgess.
5-3 just got other.
Just give me 1 second.
I heard Coca-Cola say that she hit someone in their city too, like a black sedan.
Yeah, they hit the black sedan, but they put the sticks on her, so I'm surprised she made it this far.
That's comforting.
I got a little nervous. We're going to need to get a whole bunch of photos, damage the cruiser, there have been crashes. She's the registered owner. Is she? Yeah, perfect.
She was perfect. I pulled in the grass, I'm like, I probably shouldn't have hit her. I pulled back over, I'm like, ew. And he had to hit her. He had to.
Dude, he was jacked up. Had to do it. Had to do it.
All right, sorry about that.
Stopped all of a sudden.
Yep. Hi there. He hit me from behind. We'll go back to the station here in a minute, okay?
I can't get my pills. I'm going insane. I don't know what's going on. I have anxiety.
You need a tow, it looks like. You can drive it. I don't know. You're leaking some fluids. Yeah, you're going to need a tow.
I'll drive it and go. Please, I can't afford it. Please, come on, be reasonable. Okay, I'll drive it slowly and go back to Guap.
The tow is going to be wrapped up in the insurance.
No, please, I beg you.
You ain't got no insurance. You better get in the car and drive off?
Taking the keys out isn't going to help anything.
I forgot. If they charge me too much money, I cannot afford it, please.
Just sit tight for a second.
Heading to the exit.
You ain't got no insurance.
Number written down. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Yes? Yep, I have it. It's not going anywhere. Can you come give me a second opinion? I don't know if this is just from the air conditioner.
Yeah, I think that's oil, actually. There's nothing that holds this. It could just fly off.
Were you here when this happened?
Yeah, I was passing.
Do you think that Sir, we're talking.
I think there was a car in front of her, to be honest.
I'm kind of leaning towards, cutting this guy a break.
Right, and at the same time, it's like, well, you should be so close to the back. I don't know.
It's just not his lucky day, unfortunately.
So he's going to take it. Do you have the ignition key?
I'm not going to let it total. I'll try to get it fixed.
So I have to issue you a traffic citation.
All right, Miss Jensen, you come on out.
What did I do? I broke the law.
Oh, absolutely. You broke a ton of laws.
All right, let me take this off, okay?
Travis is right here. Face the window.
I think I'm on drugs, so I can't look you in the eye. I'm sorry.
I need you to listen, McKenna. Michaela, I made a mistake.
Michaela?
You're Michaela, right? Just step backward, step backward. You're gonna have a seat. You're gonna have a seat on this bench.
Okay.
Have a seat, okay? Oh! And sit.
I don't know what I just need my pillows. This is weird. Me.
What's your address again? I know you said it a few times.
I think though.
That's
I'm confused. But then my head tells me no. So you're right, officer. What is my address? I'm sorry.
Do you think it's...
Yes, I do. But when I close my eyes, I think something different. I'm sorry. Let me come back to reality.
It's okay. It's all right.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
That's what I think. Like I've been told they're great.
What, did she just slap herself?
You're more than welcome to pray.
How loud?
You can do it like in that voice right there. Yeah, right?
No screaming.
You got it.
What in the...
Yes, the same person who's been with you for the last few
Google it,
hours.
move
My
it.
life that I won't
She done...
Please get in the car. We wear seatbelts.
I love you. Am I allowed to exit the vehicle? Cuffs are hurting me. They're getting tighter. Ow, I can't breathe.
Can you roll the window down?
Yes. You're going really fast. Can you slow down?
Trying, what?
No, what? Going to shut up. I can't breathe. I'm having a panic attack.
Okay.
Alright, so.
Look at me. You have to listen to what he says, okay?
Comply.
Okay, alright.
Look, it's so sunny. I'm about to go celebrate my holiday.
Alright, so we're gonna have a seat in here.
Put your leg up and your butt in.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Watch your leg, ma'am.
See you. Thank you. Bye. Bye. See you soon.
I'll be transporting this female to Summit County Jail.
I would say this is the best day of my life.
The suspect, identified as Michaela Jensen, told the court she believed she was experiencing a psychotic break at the time of the incident, describing intense paranoia and delusional beliefs during the chase. Prosecutors claimed she had roughly 19 times the legal limit of marijuana in her system. During the pursuit, she struck at least 2 vehicles, 1 civilian car and 1 police cruiser, with reports suggesting the total may have been as many as 4. She was charged with failure to comply, operating a vehicle while intoxicated, reckless operation, speeding violations, driving left of center, and improper use of signal lights. According to news reports, Michaela was sentenced to 2 years of probation and had her driver's license suspended for 3 years. She was warned that breaching probation could result in up to 3 years in prison.
And there's a lady driving in the opposite direction on the wrong side. And
okay, do you see the vehicle?
One of the things people know.
Hey, man, I thought she was tripping on shrooms. Guess not. She was on that green, you know what I'm saying? The devil's lettuce, you know, the ganja, whatever you want to call it, and was just tripping out. Now, is she bipolar or schizophrenic? We don't know. We didn't find out. But it seems like it, because you don't just have a conversation with yourself and say, hold on, let me bring myself back to reality, and haul off and slap the taste out your own mouth. Like, that's when you know you messed up. If you're like, man, I got to whip my own ass because something ain't right. So hopefully she gets the help she needs, man, because that was a bit bizarre. You know what I mean? It wasn't much to the video, but it was enough intense stuff going on for it to actually be interesting. So hopefully this lady or this young woman gets the help that she needs. She gets her prescriptions when she needs them, so she don't do anything like this, man. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Continue to spread the word, y'all. We're jumping up. Still on the hunt to 2,000 subs, so we're getting there slowly. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Continue to spread the word. Call a friend, tell a friend. If you haven't catched any of the lives are Tuesday 6 to 8 and Saturday and Sunday 4 to 6, specific on the standard Pacific time, y'all. All right, I'll catch you on the next one.